Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Sailing Home. We're actually going to be using the Come Sail Away suite, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and we are using Sailing Home, and we're going to be using the Lighthouse and Thanks. And we're using the Come Sail Away suite. I have a piece of Whisper White. I'm going to come in with my Night of Navy. I'm going to get the Lighthouse, and I mounted that on block E. So just like that. All right, I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. All right, and I'm using the Sailing Home, or the Smooth Sailing dies. And then I'm also using the rectangle, stitch rectangle dies. So run this through. Okay, and then I'm going to come back in with my Night of Navy, and I have the Thanks, and I have that mounted on clear block B, and I'm just going to put it right in the right top hand corner, and that's all the stamping we're doing. Let's put this aside, and I'm going to come back out with my Big Shot. And I have the High Seas 3D embossing folder, and I have a piece of Night of Navy, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I need this piece in there also. And then get my gray mat here. And run that through. Smooth sailing. All right. The 3D embossing folders are a little bit different from the dynamic embossing folders that we had in the past, so I needed to use a shim. But look at that. Isn't that awesome? All right, so let's put this card together. Let's see, I have the Baker's Twine, and it is Night of Navy and Sahara Sand. Isn't that gorgeous? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this down on one side. So just like that. I'm going to go ahead and tape it down before I cut it off. Alright, so just like that, I'm going to come in with my snail adhesive. Alright, and my card base is Balmy Blue, and that is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Alright, so I'm going to take our lighthouse and I'm going to pop him up. Alright, so just like that, and then I'm going to pop up our Balmy Blue piece as well. Alright, and let's see. I think I'm going to come in with the trinkets. Well, these are on back order right now, but they will be replenished soon. Let's see, do I want that or do I want that? I think I want this one. So I'm going to come in with a glue dot. These are going to be my thank you cards for my June customers. All right. So there you have it, a quick and simple thank you card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!